AI-generated cat channels are pulling in millions of views by posting simple cat stories, and platforms like Social Blade estimate their monthly income to be anywhere from $33,000 to $500,000. In this video, I'll show you how to create similar videos using free AI tools. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, generate a storyboard. Ask ChatGPT to create a short, engaging cat story. You can find the exact prompt I use in my Telegram channel. The link is in the video description. Next, generate your visuals with Leonardo AI. You'll find a link in the description to sign up for a free account. Once you're logged in, choose the image generation tool and select a 3D animation style. Set the number of images to 4 and the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're making short-form content. Now, go back to the prompt we created in ChatGPT. Copy it, paste it into the Leonardo AI tool, and hit generate. If you're not happy with the result, just click generate again to get another option. Once you find the images you like, click upscale to improve their quality and then download them. Repeat this process until you have all the visuals you need. You can also use tools like Gemini, ChatGPT, or Canva to create images, but I prefer Leonardo AI. MidJourney is another option that gives more accurate results, though it comes with a $10 monthly fee. Now that we have our visuals, let's move on to the key part of the process. It's time for video editing. We'll be using CapCut for this. Open CapCut, start a new project, and upload all your visuals. Then, click Modify and set the ratio to 9:16. Arrange the visuals according to the storyboard from ChatGPT to keep the story clear for your viewers. Next, add some background music. I've included a link to the exact music used in viral cat videos, check it out. But remember to give credit to the original source to avoid copyright issues. Once the music's in place, let's add transitions between scenes for smoother flow and include effects and animations where needed to keep the video engaging. I'm a fan of this effect right here. Alright hustlers, it's your time to act. Jump into this niche before it becomes saturated. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future money making tips. Let me know in the comments which of these websites you're most excited to try, and if you've already had success with any of them, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.